We have here 8 chicken tenders, half a cup of Italian breadcrumbs, half a cup of fresh Parmesan cheese, 2 egg whites, which I use as a glue to help the crumbs and the cheese stick to the chicken. For our seasoning, we have 1 teaspoon of adobo, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, some salt and pepper to taste, and a pinch of cayenne, and we're going to mix these together.